Hey LEGO fans! We're here again for the final day of Star Wars Celebration 7 in Anaheim, California. It's been a great weekend spending time with fans and meeting new builders. Our LEGO Darth Vader was the center of attention today as everyone stopped by to get a photo with the large LEGO model. Now that Darth Vader was completed, we had a chance to see some of the other awesome models and characters who were on the floor of the event. There were a lot of people who looked very similar to some of our own LEGO Star Wars minifigures. Even Eric brought out his LEGO Boba Fett helmet to share with fans. Some of the coolest outfits could be found at the 501st booth. They also had a really cool LEGO model they built that depicted the Rose Parade. There was still plenty of building today. Some fans dropped by to join us in a speed build contest. 6 LEGO fans were given the LEGO Millennium Falcon microfighter sets to build. It was a fun contest and everyone left a winner with their brand new LEGO model.
I love LEGO Star Wars!
Star Wars Celebration was awesome. Thanks to everyone who came out to build and enjoy Star Wars Celebration with us. We'll see you next year.
We are the bosses of blowing up Death Star!